Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I'm going to share my personal experience as well as I want to guide you to some new thing. Okay, so first thing is that have you ever watched James Bond movie? I want to ask you a question that have you ever watched James Bond movie and have you ever tried to become a spy, or well, now you got the opportunity to actually become a spy or detective or 007 James Bond that you have dreamed in your childhood days, like I have dreamt of becoming James Bond. So keep close watch on your competitor's website, which means James Bond does spying and you will also do spying. So now how to spy on your competitor website? So first thing is that just go here to google.com and Google Alerts and click here. So you just have figured out in my whole course that I am giving you the most free tools that no one gives in the course. Means basically SEO experts hide you these free tools, but I have revealed all these free tools which are used by SEO experts, that may be black hat SEO experts or white hat SEO experts. So these are used by everyone. So you may also use these alerts, means you may also use these free tools in order to get traffic. So then there is no need to get paid traffic, means to get I won't mention the website name who pay for, means who are not paying, who are taking money from you in order to give the relevant keywords. But I would suggest that you just try the free methods which I have mentioned in this website. So that's why I just told in my course introduction video that each and everything you learned here in blogging would be just free except your domain, so you don't need to pay for anything. So now the next thing here, coming to the topic, is that now how to spy on your competitor site. So let's take the example of that makemytrip.com, and now I will create alert here. So just create an alert so that now what is the meaning of this alert? So you will get notifications or alert from Google whenever something new happens to your competitor's website. Like I have a website and my website is related to travel, and makemytrip.com is India's best travel website. So I will just copy the link here. This is my competitor website and I will just copy the link here and click on alerts. So now what will happen, if your competitors are getting backlinks from guest blogging, then you can also become a guest author or on the same and start writing also a guest post that I explained in the previous video. So now how to do? Now first thing is that you just go into settings, and here you can means you can set the alerts that how many time you want to receive alerts in your email, almost once a day, or and deliver to the address in which you want. So you can click over here to see. And the second thing is that if you want to deliver time, you can also set the delivery time, or at which time you want your emails to receive your emails on these alerts. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. So I just deleted it. Okay, so meet you in the next video.